Jing 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 jing
Jing, 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 jing. I love those J-I-N-G-L-E bells. Bong, those holiday J-I-N-G-L-E bells. Bong, those happy J-I-N-G-L-E-B-E-double-L-S. I love those J-I-N-G-L-E bells. Bong, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, bum 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 la la. What fun it is to ride in a fa la 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 sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh today.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Bells on bobtail ring, making our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. I love those J-I-N-G-L-E bells. Bong, those holiday J-I-N-G-L-E bells. Bong, those happy J-I-N-G-L-E-B-E-double-L-S. I love those J-I-N-G-L-E bells.
Jingle all the way.
Those bells.
Jingle all the way.
Those bells.
Jingle all the way. Jingle all the way.
Thank you. Out of curiosity, how many of you had to drive on the H1 freeway coming here tonight? Show of hands, please. That's quite a bit. How about H2? Any white? Yeah, there we go. Milani, Waipio. How about the H3? How many of you? Whoa, there we go. Well, the next quartet are four guys who came in on a different freeway. You know who I'm talking about. So they're good friends of ours, and we'd like you to give a warm welcome to the next quartet, H4.
Merry Christmas, say Christmas comes this time each year. Well, way up north where the air gets cold, there's a tale about Christmas that you've all been told. And a real famous cat all dressed up in red, and he spends the whole year working out on his sled. It's the little Saint Nick. It's the little Saint Nick. Just a little bobsled, we call it old Saint Nick. But she'll walk a toboggan with a 4-speed stick. Candy apple bread with a ski for a wheel. And when Santa hits the gas, man, just watch her peel. It's the little Saint Nick. It's the little Saint Nick, little Saint Nick. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer.
He don't miss no one.
And hauling through the snow at a frightening speed with a half a dozen deer and a Rudy to lead. He's got to wear his goggles 'cause the snow really flies, and he's cruising every pad with a little surprise. It's the little Saint Nick, little Saint Nick. It's the little Saint Nick, little Saint Nick. Ah, Merry Christmas, Saint
Christmas
Nick.
comes this time each year.
Ah, Merry Christmas, Saint Nick.
Christmas comes
me cheer. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. Reindeer, run.
Thank you very much. You know, barbershopping is a family affair, and our next quartet that we're introducing includes a father-son couple of guys. So it is my great pleasure to introduce you to our next very handsome fellows, our quartet VHF.
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of coal. Made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman was a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, 'cause when they placed it on his head, Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. Frosty the Snowman, though the sun was hot that day, so he said, let's run and we'll have some fun now before I melt away. I melt away down to the village with a broomstick in his hand, running here and there all around the square, saying, catch me if you can. He led them down the streets of town right to the traffic cop. What a cop. He only paused a moment when he heard him holler, stop. Heard him holler, stop, ain't going nowhere. Just stop. Frosty the Snowman had to hurry on his way. Saying goodbye, saying don't you cry, I'll be back again someday. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, see old Frosty go, oh, oh. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, over the hills of snow, oh. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, see old Frosty go, oh, oh. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, over the hills of snow, over the hills of snow, do 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 wop. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, da 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 da.
Woo, ladies and gentlemen, what a fun time we're having this evening. Our next quartet formed specially to sing for the holiday season. Fantastic singers. They got together and decided that they just had so much of the spirit in their heart, they just had to get together and sing just this once. And that was 12 years ago. And they've been singing together ever since. Ladies and gentlemen, 19th Avenue.
Thanks, Mom. This is a serious song.
Serious.
Festive colors of every hue. Here's how they feel without you. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue, so just thinking about you. Decorations of red on a green Christmas tree, but it won't be the same if you're not here with me. And those blue snowflakes start falling. That's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing all right with your Christmas of white. I'll have a blue Christmas. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so wish my baby about you tonight. Decorations of red on a green Christmas tree. It won't be the same if you're not here with me. Those blue snowflakes start falling. That's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing all right with your Christmas of white. But I'll have a blue Christmas, so blue. It won't be the same without you. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with you.
Thank you, everyone, again for coming to the Sounds of Aloha Christmas Show. It is so nice to be back here at Public Theater. This last little bit of our show, we're going to invite the chorus back up. We're going to sing a couple more songs to end our evening. You've been a wonderful audience. Thank you so much for being here.
Caroling, caroling, now we go. Christmas bells are ringing. Caroling, caroling through the snow. Christmas bells are ringing. Joyous voices sweet and clear, sing the sad of heart to cheer. Ding dong, Christmas bells are ringing. Caroling, 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 caroling through the town. Christmas bells are ringing. Caroling, caroling up and down. Christmas bells bells are ringing. Mark ye well the song we sing. Gladsome tidings now we bring. Ding dong, Christmas bells are ringing. Caroling, 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 caroling through the town, up and down. We're singing all the bells. Ding dong, the bells are ringing. Caroling, caroling near and far, Christmas bells are ringing. Following, following yonder star, Christmas bells are ringing. Sing we all this happy morn, lo, the King of Heaven is born. Ding dong, merrily now we carol along. Ding dong, Christmas bells, Christmas bells. Oh, caroling, 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 can't you hear the joyful sound? Up and down, caroling through the town. Hear the sound, hear the joyful sound.
At this point of the program, we would like to recognize a couple people. I don't know if you noticed in the first act, there was a couple people, maybe one or two people that were kind of moving on and off the stage, and they weren't singing the whole time. Well, we had a wonderful guest singer program that we had some people just try out to be a part of the chorus for a couple songs. We asked them to sing a couple in the first half, and we'd like to bring those people out to sing in the second half. There we go. Seth, yeah. It was so nice to have some people. The other guests, some of them couldn't make it, but it's really, really nice to have some people just try out. We like to say that this art form is much more better if you try it than if you just listen to it. So we'd like to end with a beautiful song arranged by a man named Jim Clancy. This is my grown-up Christmas list.
Wish come true. Jingle bells upon a steel guitar. Through the palms we see the same bright star. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas to you, to you. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas, oh Merry, Merry Christmas, oh Merry, Merry Christmas to you.